Hi everyone, welcome to Korea Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make sweet potato. It's a very popular Japanese sweet treat. My daughter brought back a book about sweet potato and she said she wants to make it. We've been to sweet potato digging and we had a lot of sweet potatoes left. So we decided to make it. My kids did a great job. I changed the recipe a little bit so that it's going to be easier for kids to make. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Cut sweet potatoes into small chunks and soak in water to remove starch and prevent discoloration. Cook in boiling water for 15 minutes until soft. Drain and mash with a fork in the pot. You can strain to puree if you have time. The texture will be better in this way. Add granulated sugar. Add heavy cream or milk is okay. Add butter. And add vanilla extract. Then mix well. If you think the mixture is too soft, you can heat it to dry out a little bit. Use plastic wrap to form it into 2-inch long oval shapes. Mix 1 egg yolk and half tablespoon of water to make the egg wash. Brush the top of the sweet potato with the egg wash. Sprinkle with toasted black sesame seeds. Bake in the oven for 10 minutes, or toast the oven for about 5 minutes until brown and shiny on top. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
ごまが取るの。
そうだよ、くっついてんだよ。おいしい？
ルルとララのスイートポテトで今回は作りました。これです。
難しいところはありましたか？
なかった。
簡単だった。
なかったね。
そう、上手だったね。
簡単スイートポテトです。皆さんもぜひ作ってみてください。チャンネル登録お願いします。ゲットボタン押してね。バイバイ。せーの。焼き芋焼き芋中がふほかほかほかはちちのち食べたらなくなる何にもパッソリ焼き芋まとめてグッチッパじゃんけんぽいみんな分かってたかなバイバイバイバイバイ